Hi art friends, welcome to art class with me, Felicia. I'll be teaching you about different 21st century contemporary artists. Today, we're learning all about Christo and Jeanne-Claude. Christo lived from 1935 to 2020, and Jeanne-Claude lived from 1935 to 2009. They were both born on the same day, June 13th. Christo was born in Bulgaria, and Jeanne-Claude was born in Morocco. They met and married in Paris in the late 1950s. They eventually settled in New York City. Christo and Jeanne-Claude were known for their large-scale installation art.
Installation art is a large-scale mixed-media construction often designed for a specific place or for a temporary period of time. Let's look at some examples of installation art. Christo and Jeanne-Claude's work was large and visually impressive. A key component of their work is that it would take years or sometimes decades of careful planning, which included technical solutions, political negotiation, permitting, environmental approval, hearings, and public persuasion. The process of working with the public was essential to the final product. Participation is key, as Jeanne-Claude said. The Gates, Central Park, New York City, 1979 to 2005, took 26 years from start to finish. The gates were open from February 12th to the 27th in 2005. A total of 7,503 gates made of saffron-colored fabric were placed on paths in Central Park. They were 16 feet tall and had a combined length of 23 miles. Christo and Jeanne-Claude said their project contained no deeper meaning than their immediate aesthetic impact, their purpose simply being for joy, beauty, and new ways of seeing the familiar.
Okay, so now that we've learned all about Christo and Jeanne-Claude, let's answer 3 questions about them. First question, what type of art were they known for? Was it installation art or embroidery? If you said installation art, you would be correct. Great job. Second question, what was the name of their famous work in Central Park? The Gates or the Doors? If you said the Gates, you would be correct. Nice work. Third question, what was an important feature of their art? Was it public participation or technology? If you said public participation, nice job. Okay, so great job reviewing everything that we've learned about Christo and Jeanne-Claude. Now we are going to make some art inspired by them. First, I will show you the instruction sheet, and then you will view a demo on how to make the project. Also, the instructions and materials needed are listed in the bio of this video. Okay, let's get started. Okay, so here is the demo for the Christo and Jeanne-Claude inspired project. So you have here the worksheet, which is it's a landscape drawing. And so what you're going to do is you are going to choose a color fabric and you are going to plan your own installation in the style of Christo and Jeanne-Claude. So you can go back through the video and see the different types of installations that they did. And choose what kind you would like to do, and then you can decide how you want it to look in your landscape. All right, so I'm going to go through and I'm going to do one real quick, and just so you can kind of see what it would look like at the end, okay? All right, let's get started. Okay, so here is the finished installation plan that I made. So I picked a color, I picked purple, and I decided that I was going to do purple triangles. So I laid out all these purple triangles along the landscape, and then I added purple triangle flags, okay, in the background. So this is like along the horizon line, and then in the foreground on the ground would be these purple triangle, the fabric of the purple triangles. So this is just my plan. I hope that you had fun coming up with your own plan for Christo and Jeanne-Claude inspired artwork. And I hope you enjoyed learning all about them and about installation art. And I'll see you next time.